Hi, my name is Carol and I want to help you rate this book by Klutz. I'll leave the link to the book in the video description in case you want to buy it or know more about it. Klutz is a premium brand of book-based activity kits, committed to inspiring creativity in every kid. A combination of crystal-clear instructions, custom tools and materials and hearty helpings of humor is 100% guaranteed to kickstart creativity. The ultimate kit for LEGO fans and car enthusiasts alike. Assemble a high-quality chipboard track to set the scene for your LEGO derby, then build 10 LEGO race cars with step-by-step instructions and pit them against each other. The kids will learn aerodynamic tips and tricks to put physics into action, with this playful STEM kit that lets you build, rebuild, and experiment to create the best car in your LEGO collection. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive the notification every time we have a new video. This is a 64-page book of step-by-step instructions for building 10 LEGO race cars and a custom track to race 2 cars at the same time. Includes all 124 bricks you need to build 10 different race cars, with variations in different colors and the opportunity to mix and match pieces. Also offers a unique combination of STEM learning and playful creativity in line with Klutz's best-selling LEGO Chain Reactions, LEGO Gadgets, and LEGO Gearbots. You will find the links to the other books in the video description. I'm sure your kids will love learning and playing with this innovative and extremely interactive book. I hope I helped you make the best choice. See you in the next video.